Hi, I'm Ed. So, what is a hypervisor? A hypervisor is a piece of software that runs on top of hardware that creates a virtualization platform. The hypervisor also provides a platform for the running of virtual machines, or VMs, on top of that underlying infrastructure. It also manages the sharing of physical resources into those running virtual machines. There are two types of hypervisor. The first is a Type 1 or bare metal hypervisor. These are installed directly onto the hardware of the host machine. The virtual machines that they run directly on the computer's infrastructure. The second is a Type 2 or hosted hypervisor. These behave more like a software application and are installed on top of an operating system. Within the host, these can be started and stopped on top of the operating system.